Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embellish one of your blank mini album pages using a deco flap and a pocket. You can do this on any one of the pages of your base mini album that we made earlier. If you missed that video, I'm going to link up in the corner so that you can check that out and get to this stage. Now, you can do today's process in one of two ways. You can either apply it directly onto the page that is already inserted into the base mini album like this, or what you could do is just work off of the blank tunnel pages that we made. And once they're already assembled, then you could insert them like this at the very, very end. So I think what I'm going to do today is work off of the base so that by the end of the playlist, we'll have the whole album created. Now, for this first one, you're going to have some scraps from when we made the tunnel. So you can use all those cardstock scraps. You're going to start with one that's 2 by 6 inches, and we're going to adhere it right to here with adhesive on 3 sides, okay? And then I have a piece that is 5 3/4 by 6 1/2. On this short side, I scored it at 1/2 of an inch and folded it, just adding a little angle to the fold to make my life easier. This little tiny flat fold will tuck inside the tunnel like this, and that's where the adhesive will go. And that way, when you open it up, you'll have a fold out flap, like a decorative flap, and then a pocket inside. Now here's how I did it in my Try It Out album off camera. I made actually a decorative edge here, which is why I gave you enough cardstock on this part of it so you could have a choice. So you can either choose to trim it, you can leave it as it is, you can put a decorative tab, you could edge the tab, whatever you want to do. There's enough cardstock there for you to make your decision. And then when this opens up, you can decorate the inside, and there's a pocket right there, which is our 2 by 6 piece of cardstock, and you can decorate that as you want. Now you'll notice it looks real nice, right? With some pattern paper and things like that. I have a magnet closure, which you can decide if you want that as well, or some other closure of your choice. But what you are going to have to decide is, are you going to decorate as you go, or are you going to like embellish all your pages with cardstock, you know, like the flips and the flaps and the pockets, and then go back after the fact? Let me just sort of demonstrate what I mean. I think I'm just going to go ahead and embellish this page right here. So these are my pieces. Alrighty. And I'm going to trim this right here. We'll save this piece. Okay, I want this to go up top, and I'm trying to look and be mindful that it's lined up top and on each side. Okay. Now I'll do my pocket. Do you see what I'm talking about? See, now I can put the pocket over it and it goes nice. Some people might think that's a waste, but some people might not. Right there. I imagine I'm going to have a lot of pieces this size, which is fine. Okay. If this is 2, well, I can just do this. If that's 2, then what I can do is cut myself a piece 1 3/4 of an inch. Okay. Right over top. And then I've got a little 1/4 inch. Good. Just like that. I'll save that. And now to create the pocket, I just add adhesive along 3 sides. Put that right down like that. You know what some people do, which is a good idea, is they put like a popsicle stick or something. What is also, some people also use score tape, which I probably should have done. All right. So there's our pocket. It looks real nice, doesn't it? And now for our flap, we'll have to decide what kind of outside we want. I used, let's see, do we want to cut this off? What I probably want to do if I want to use this is trim it. I think I will, as a matter of fact. So if this is tucked in here, like this, then where do I want? Maybe right there. Okay. I just eyeballed that as you saw. Okay. Whoops. Now this is, it's a die set that I bought, but you could certainly use any like edge die, or you don't have to use a die at all. You could just leave it like that and put a tab. That would be fine too. But since I bought this, I'm going to use it. This die actually has other uses. You know, as advertised, it's a fold flap, so I'm just using it for the edge right now. See? Now we have a nice deco edge. It's nice, isn't it? Is it straight? Yep. That is great. Now, let me use this other one. You don't have to do this deco edge set here. What's on the back of this? No, we'll just use this. What I'll do is die cut. Oh, how about this? Well, it won't matter. Yeah, that'll take up less. Right there. Alrighty. Die cut this. This is the smaller one. Alright. Alright, there we go. Save my washi tape for the next page that we do. Save this, put this back. It looks like I'm going to need 2 of them, because I'll need to do one for the back too. That's fine. Looks great. Now, it looks like I'm going to have to cut right here and right there. Definitely use my trimmer. You may be wondering what these other pieces were that come with the die. Well, it comes with a little like closure thing. You can make a little flower closure with it. I'll show you. Very nice. This will go right in here. See? Wonderful. Wonderful. We'll do the other side the same way. That looks really nice, like that. Yeah, that looks really nice. I'm going to leave this open, I think. I'm going to leave that white to go with a coordinating paper collection, because I'm making this as a neutral album and then to be embellished also with additional papers. So I'm going to leave some parts white, I think. Also, if you want to embellish with use a magnet, we would do that here. I should have done that under this paper. Right inside the tunnel. Not too close. I got to leave room for it to flap in and out. Very nice. Yeah, that looks really good. So this is how our decorative flap and pocket looks once we finish it off. Okay, and then we can put things right in there, right in our pocket. Like I said, I'm leaving this blank because when I complete the mini album for myself, I'm going to add some, like a paper collection, like a decorative paper collection. This is just sort of a neutral paper collection. Okay. So, and I didn't add a closure yet because I'm not really sure what I want to do, but at least I can get it almost done. I'm going to get this album just almost done. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it informative. You can add this deco flap and pocket to any of the pages that flip out this way away from the hinge. Okay. Definitely away from the hinge. Now you could put it on this side and flip it away from the hinge, okay, if you want, but you don't want to put the flap, you don't want to, see how I tucked it inside the tunnel? You don't want to tuck it inside this part of the tunnel so it's into the hinge. That just makes it awkward, all right? So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial for a deco flap and pocket. Definitely check out the rest of the playlist as we complete this simple base mini album. Don't forget to share this mini album tutorial and playlist with your mini album loving friends. It's really fun to get fresh ideas or to recharge the old ones. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.